What are two things that you absolutely must have if you want to buy a home using a VA loan assumption? So many people are talking about VA loan assumptions as an opportunity for a buyer, but here's two things that they might not tell you. I actually learned this recently representing a buyer. We were very interested in the opportunity for them to buy a home assuming the seller's VA loan because they had a really, really low interest rate and they're not quite as low right now. But here's what I had to find out. It needs time and you need money. So money is important because what they don't tell you is that you are going to have to come up with a very large sum of money, potentially, to cover the difference between what that seller owes on the house and what the sales price is. Let me explain. So if they owe, let's say, $500,000 on their current mortgage, and now you're going to buy their house for $700,000, come closing day, you need $200,000 in cash to make up that difference. And you may or may not have it. But even more frighteningly, the contracts don't necessarily allow you an out for that. You may have a financing contingency and the lender may come back and say, congratulations, you're approved and you're allowed to take over this loan. But that does not mean that you have $200,000 in cash. So money's important, but also time. And this is the reason why. If you're going to go assume the seller's VA loan, that now has to be approved by their lender. Now, their lender is not exactly motivated to allow someone to come in and just keep paying the very low interest rate. So it takes time. It could take months, actually, for that approval to even come in or not come in. So you're gonna have to plan ahead. These things sound amazing, and it might be a great opportunity, but you do need to plan on having some cash and having some time.